Welcome back to the channel. And after last week where I didn't get anything in the workshop done because of needing to get gardening done, thanks for joining me on this journey. And it's only going to be a brief catch up with you because we left last time with me sanding everything else for the project on my, what was it, the 40 grit. And so today all it is going to be sanding on the 80 and 120 grit. And then the next thing to do, it won't be today, probably next time, it is going to be filling in some of the unstable type wood with the acrylic filler. And that way I can just stabilise surfaces before I start gluing up further. So that's where I am today. I'll catch up with you later and we'll see how everything's gone. So that's as far as I'm going for today. It's all of the sanding done and hopefully I can now crack on with the resin, with just filling in some of those little patches, and then I can actually glue up the rest of the carcasses. So I've called this channel my workshop journey, and yes, it's been a journey, especially with this project. I know I'm going to be reviewing the whole project later on, but just some of the things that, just in sanding all of this, that I realise what I need to do. It's been a big project. Am I likely to be doing something like this again? Not very frequently, I think is the answer to that. I've certainly bitten off a lot with this project. But one or two things that scream out to me are the need to measure much more carefully and not to assume dimensions. Literally measure everything and cut to measurement rather than just think, yeah, that's it. So I think that's the biggest lesson I've learned so far from this journey, but we'll see how the rest of the project goes. So thanks for coming along with me. I know this is only a short one, but I didn't want to bore you with all of the sanding. So hopefully we're back on track now for a weekly update, and I'll see you next time.